Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of What They Didn't Tell You About College! Today's episode is brought to you by No Makeup! Yay! I look like a ghost. But no, really. Today I'm going to discuss a very serious topic. Homework. Okay, so I know that whether you were told about it or not, you pretty much expected there was going to be homework in college. I mean, all college is like a mega version of high school, right? But even though I knew that there would be homework in college, no one ever told me just what to expect. What I have come to find out is that there's many different types of homework in college. Kind of like there were many different types of homework in high school. One of those types of homework is the basic essay/response. So this is essays and responses in high school. You can't read it, but that says teacher. Okay, class, we're going to read this book and we're going to write a response to it. This is essays and responses in college. Okay, class, we're going to read this book and write a response to it. Yep, that's pretty much it. Anyway, another type of homework that I was not given any warning about is the artistic project. Artistic projects in high school. Okay, class, we're going to read this book and draw a picture about it. Artistic projects in college. Okay, class, we're going to read this book and draw a picture about it. And when you're done with that picture, I would like you to cover your face in Vaseline, let a complete stranger rub plaster all over it, and when the plaster dries, please peel off your mask, decorate it, then come back to class tomorrow and dance out your innermost feelings and desires. No joke, that really happened. I really went to class one day and made this. And I mean, it's pretty cool, but I don't even know. And that brings us to our next type of homework. Math. Math homework in high school. Okay, class, we're going to read this book and then you guys are going to answer some of the problems in it. Math homework in college. Okay, class, read this book and answer every single question in it. Even though I will only be grading 3 of them, I still want you to do all 200 problems by tomorrow morning. Oh, and if you don't buy this special type of paper and do your homework exactly the way I want it, I'll fail you for the entire quarter. Ha ha ha, funny joke, right? No, my math teacher was really like that. This is my last quarter's math homework. I once spent 3 hours doing one assignment that the teacher decided not even to collect. Awesome. The last type of homework I'm going to talk about, even though there are so many more, is group projects. These are group projects in high school. Okay, class, read this book and then find a partner and make a project about it. This is group projects in college. Okay, class, I've taken the liberty of assigning groups to you. You will find that you've been put in a group with the most incompetent and argumentative people in the class. Also, there won't be any silly book reading or even clear explanation of the project guidelines for that matter. We want you to have the project done by 11:56 p.m. and ready to present. If your group turns out to be a complete disaster, don't ask us for help. You're all adults here and responsible for your own selves, even though you have no control over your classmates. Have fun! Yeah. So that brings us to next week's topic when I will be talking about specifically group projects. I don't know if you can tell, but I had a completely terrible experience with them last quarter and I would just love to share it. So be ready for next week when you find out that no one told you about group projects and just how wonderful they are. Bye-bye.